now we get into, here's the script of agents that you know or you sort of know. So what are agents that you know? We already know agents that you know. You know agents. Everybody knows agents. What about agents you sort of know? Like agents that may have been on the opposite of a transaction you worked on. You don't know them, but you kind of like, they were the listing agent or they were the buyer agent. You liked how they were positive. They had a great attitude. They were business minded. That's most of the people that are here that I sponsor into EXP. Those are the only people I want to work with. Other people, I don't, even if they want me to sponsor, I don't do it. I want to work with business minded people with positive attitudes that are looking to grow. That's who I can help the most. That's who I can connect with the most. That's just me, my personality. So these are people you know or sort of know. What you guys should be doing is practicing the script with somebody that is connected to you, or even if you don't know somebody here. You guys all should be part of our EXP Realty channel in Slack. You can say, hey, who wants to role play this script? But this is so important for you to be successful. In fact, I know I have a VA over this. I have 3 VAs over my process, just so you know, 3 of them that we pay $6 an hour to, and for years. And you see the results of when all these agents show up every single Wednesday after Wednesday after Wednesday. I can show you calendar after calendar. So you can have the same exact system. Really, all you gotta do is invite them to my meeting and say, hey, there's a guy that gives real estate agents appointments. They could be in California, they could be in Chicago, it don't matter where they are. We'll build marketing around them. It doesn't matter. It's very easy for us to do. All right. Cool. Here's calling agents you absolutely have never known. You don't know these people at all. I gave you a list of real estate agents and you are so serious about getting 10, 15, 20, $100,000 a month. You're like, nope, I don't know anybody. I'm fresh to Georgia. Or even if I'm in another city, because some of you guys are in another state, you can still call Georgia real estate agents. We also have the list with Florida, just so you guys know as well. You can start building organizations all over the globe. And we already have most of the list of all the real estate agents. You guys see this market view broker here, right? You guys see that right here? Market view broker. Okay. Mm-hmm. You can pay $169 a month, and you can, if you are in a certain, if you're in that MLS, or if you know somebody in MLS, you sign them up, and you can get access to every single real estate agent's numbers. You know exactly what they're doing, and you could really ramp up your business. The great thing I love about EXP is I can now give agents basically all the resources they need to be successful. I don't have to hold anything back, because the more successful you are, the more successful I am. I want to help you get 10,000 agents in your organization, right? I really do. So it's beautiful versus how when I owned Remaxes and Berkshire Hathaways and ran team, I was always trying to, we were taught to keep stuff away from agents, because if the agents learn how to do it on their own, they'll just leave and go do their own thing, and you wasted all these years of training, which is right. Here at EXP, if anybody sponsors you or you sponsor somebody at EXP, if they don't want to be on your team or you guys get upset with them, it doesn't matter. If they stay with EXP, the company still pays you. Okay, so great. But your job is to help people be successful. I focus 100% on how I can help people be successful.